What is it? Hi friends! As you see there, I was in the thrift store shopping. I have a basket here that is filled with goodies. And you wouldn't guess what I found. Now, if you have seen videos with my shop, which I call the little treasure box, you would have seen some stuff, some lovely vintage plates and cups and saucers that are on a table I have there. And those are very special. Like, they are pretty expensive. They are a Ridgeway brand plates and cups and saucers, Ridgeway ironstone, made in England. If you see anything that looks like this, grab them. One of these little things here being sold online could cost you a good $10 to $15, right? And guess how much I found these for? This was 50 cents. Now I have some I have a set of about 34, 38, a set of about 39 pieces. I think I was missing one cup. And I found a set. Well, it's not really a set that I found at the thrift store. There are pieces that are missing, but there are probably about 24 pieces or so. We'll see, because I'm going to pull these on now, and we will go through for you to see. So that cup could go with that set. The set that I have there, the 40-piece set, in some stores on Etsy or eBay, could run you up to $800 just by adding up the pieces to how I see them selling it. So let me get a little closer, guys, so you can see it. And if you see it, grab it. There we go. That's the pattern here with the gold around the rim here. And this is the brand. It's Ridgeway ironstone, made in England, and the pattern is Jewel Rose. If you see it, grab it, friends. Don't let it slip you by. So now let's go ahead and take out all the pieces that I got at the shop, the thrift shop, right? I looked at it and I said, I'm missing a cup. Maybe I should just pick up the cup. But then I said, no. I don't think I want anybody else in my neck of the woods to own anything that looks like this, so I'm gonna grab it. So I grabbed the whole thing. Sorry, I wasn't greedy. I'm just a person, an interior decorator who likes to curate lovely stuff. And so you can stop by me, or if you see it online and you want to purchase it, then it's all good, right? I do the sourcing for you, and then you can just purchase and use it to decorate your home. Okay, so this is one piece. That's 50 cents for that piece. I have taken you guys a little closer so you can see what's happening here. Now, here is the cup. Okay, here is one more of the cup, Jewel Rose. Another cup. And yeah, did I mention the cups were only 50 cents each? One more cup. Then I think I may have picked up 6 cups. And they're in great condition. There we go. 6 cups. Okay. I also got a creamer. Now look at this lovely thing. I do have this one has the stamp also, as opposed to the cups, but they are all the same set. Okay, and yeah, I have a creamer in the shop already in the set that I have there. Now there are these cereal bowls that's also a part of the set. They are stamped. So there's 1, 2. Lovely, expensive babies. Like one of this is sold for between $10 and $15. So you see how much money I have already. And they were 50 cents each, guys. Check it out. Don't miss it again. It's Jewel Rose. Jewel Rose. These are the plates. And I got 8 of these babies. And each one was $1. So that's number 3. Number 4. I guess we can use all this paper for the fireplace. Number 5. Now the plates, they are a bit worn when it comes on to the gold around here, but it just add character to the plate, right? There are no chips or cracks, and that's the most important thing. Go. There we go. So I have 8 plates. Yeah, there's more here. These are the little saucers. They are, I don't know, they're just fine and lovely. Yeah. Okay, so now these are the bigger ones. They're 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 of these. If you're not reselling, then it's an excellent piece of heirloom to keep and to hand down to your kids or your kids' kids, right? That's 4. And I have 2, 4, 6, 7. There's just 1 of these. The set I have in the shop, yeah, they are for sale, and there will be about 40 pieces in there. I'd have to double check, but it's run about 40 pieces. Because I have the 8 plates, I have 8 of these, 8 of these. Yeah, most of the pieces I have are 8. Yeah. But guys, this was an excellent buy. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I appreciate the watch time that you give me so I can make a little cash to reinvest into helping to make video lessons. And so yeah, I appreciate you. I appreciate everything that you do to help me on the channel and to help my small business, because this is a small business which is combined with my treasure box shop that I have outside there. And so thank you so much for all that you do to help the channel to grow. Please drop in the comments below. Let me know what you think. So long for now, and I will see you in the next video.